Your roller rack comes with the uprights, beams, and an assembly kit that includes the nuts and bolts required to complete the build. The only tool you'll need is a 3/4 socket with an extension. Note that 4-foot units are standalone, so attaching uprights will not be required. For 6 and 8-foot units, you will need to attach your uprights. Let's get started. To secure your uprights, align them back to back with a diagonal slant facing the front of the roller rack. Next, you will need to set your beams. Set the front roller rack beam to the desired discharge elevation. Listen for the safety clip to click. Set the rear beam at a higher elevation for optimal flow. The recommended pitch is 1 inch per foot. Once your beams are in place, drop your span track hangers and tracks. Place one set of hangers on the front and rear roller rack beams. Do not force or hammer hangers onto the beam. Note that the front of the track has a higher hanger bar and the rear of the track has a low hanger bar. Once the hangers are in place, drop your span track into the hangers. Finally, you will want to test your pitch. Test the installed track section for product flow to determine if the rear beam needs readjustment for effective pitch. It is important to note that the track section to be tested should be loaded and allowed to sit for at least 24 hours prior to conducting your pitch test. Remove cartons at the pick face and check for resulting flow. This is the most reliable way to ensure proper flow for your particular products and storage environment.